Fruit flies have distinguished characteristics throughout their body, starting from eyes to wings. Out of all the characteristics, we studied on wing size. There are three different types of wing size: vesicle, miniature, and apterous. Vesicle wings are reduced. It is shrunken down and the wing lost its ability to push the air through using its wide surface area. Miniature wings are truncated. An apterous wing is wingless, which means that it cannot fly. When two homozygous dominant offsprings are crossed, they are crossed as wild trait. Therefore, the recessive vesicle wing trait is not expressed, the carriers, due to Mendel's third law, the law of dominance, while still having heterozygous genotype. When F2 generation was crossed, there was more apparatus or vesicle wing size than wild type size. It can be concluded that the apparatus or vesicle wing size is dominant over the wild type recessive itself. Therefore, the apparatus in vesicle is terminated as autosomal recessive. This can be supported through the Mendelian ratio, where it is a 3-to-1 ratio between the dominant and recessive phenotypes when the offsprings meet with two heterozygous individuals. In terms of genotype, there are actually two categories, homozygous and heterozygous, giving a 1-to-2-to-1 genophilic ratio.
We also found that there is sex-linked recessive when both male and female wild type is crossed with miniature wing size. As shown in the data, the woman heterozygous carrier is shown fully that can transmit the trait, 50% of their offspring. However, for the male, it transport either normal or give off disease. This is proven by the fact that males and females inherit a different number of X chromosomes leads to a pattern of inheritance different from that produced by genes located on autosomes. Also, the males are more often affected by sex-linked traits than females because males on the Y chromosomes often worsen the effects of X-linked mutations. According to the chi-square average values, it is shown that the average value of all inheritance traits are at the range of 72 to 78. However, one of the inheritance trait, miniature, has an extremely low chi-square average values for both genders at the range of 3 to 27. This indicates that the inheritance traits of the sex linkage has a pattern of having the average value of 70s of how much probability it might occur. This means that the offsprings did not get the traits of what they got as a random factor, but was diversified by the pattern of the inheritance trait, which is influenced by the different numbers of X chromosomes. Mendel's fundamental theory of heredity connects everything together since the inheritance involved passing of discrete units of genes from parents to offspring, in this case the wild type and 3 wings size.